What's up, everybody? Fat Cracker here. You know what time it is. We're time to get some cooking done. Tonight we ain't really cooking. Tonight we're going to throw some stuff together. Tonight's going to be a sandwich night. I'm going to make 3 different types of sandwiches. Show you how it's done. We got our stuff made up. We'll get everything going. Show you how we make them. First, what we're going to make is pimento cheese. Then we're going to make an egg salad sandwich. And then one I saw on a video the other night from back in the 20s and 30s to the 50s, I believe. I thought it might be good. So we're going to do cream cheese and green olives and see how that turns out. We'll get everything together, show you how it's done. All right, guys. We got a pound of sharp cheddar cheese we shredded. And what we're going to do is we're going to add 7 ounces of pimentos, maybe more. We're not going to drain them. We're just going to dump the whole jar in there. Yeah, I think I'm going to add a little bit more. Those are diced pimentos, Lindsay pimentos. We're going to add another little jar of Lindsay pimentos. Let me get it open. All right. We're going to drain this one. All right, we got that drained. Dump it in. All right. Now, we're going to add some Duke's mayonnaise. This is simple and easy. It's about 3 tablespoons so far, 4 tablespoons. We'll mix it up, see how it looks. And you just want to mix it all in. I can tell you that we're probably going to need more mayonnaise. You know, it's starting to mix it in pretty good there. You want to get it well incorporated. Get all that mayonnaise mixed around. We might not. Get all that mixed in. Like I said, this is simple, easy, quick. Mix that around. Yeah, it's a little soupy, and it'll be soupy as it sits, but if you stir it up, if you like pimento cheese, this is good. I think we're gonna leave it like that. We're not gonna add any. We're using our old trusty dusty gallon ice cream jug from Publix to store it in. So now we got that. And there you have it. We'll show you taste test in a little while, but we're gonna seal it up, set it in the refrigerator, let it cool for a while, stir it up again and see how it looks. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, this is how we do our egg salad. So I got about 12.5 hard-boiled eggs. I ran through my cheese grater to get it like this. Just forget all that chopping and dicing eggs. We're going to add a medium-sized yellow onion diced. I did that by hand, not through the grater. I could have used a grater, but I chose to do that one by hand. So we'll get that in there. Now, we'll get this open. We're going to use a couple tablespoons of dill relish. Some people like sweet relish in their egg salad. I like dill relish. So it's your choice on how you want to do it. This is how I do it. So we're going to do about 4 tablespoons. Get that in and close it. Got that closed. So now we add our mayonnaise. And we're about out of this mayonnaise here, but we'll get it in. Got that there. Let's go ahead and get our other one open. We're going to, of course, have to cool that. Give me just a second. All right, we got our other one open. I'm using Duke's mayonnaise. That's pretty much all we use. Used to be a Kraft, but I realized I like the taste of Duke's better. So now we add this. Then we'll mix that around and see how it turns out. Get it mixed in. Set it around real good. Well, that's going to look good there. Oh yeah. That's taken pretty good. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add some yellow mustard. And this is to your liking. I know when I was a kid, I hated yellow mustard, and now I like it. And put it in everything, on my sandwiches and everything. We'll mix that in. So now what I'll do is I come along and I'll put a pinch of salt. Have no fingernails. Use my knife there. Alright, I got a little bit. We'll take that. This is regular iodized table salt. Get that in there. Then we're going to come along and put my favorite in. We're going to throw some black pepper. Of course, I put quite a bit of that in there. Then, on that, we're going to add, I forgot to open it ahead of time, so bear with me. And I believe this next ingredient gives a nice little kick, a little bite. Some people don't like it. I do. My family does. So what we got here, celery seed. I'm going to put that in it. Healthy amount. Close that up. And then we'll stir all that together. And if it gets too soupy, you can add more mayonnaise and kind of thicken it up a little bit. I think this is good right here. We'll let it cool and see how much more it thickens up. I'm going to stir a little bit longer. But because some of them yolks, that yolk isn't broken up, we'll get that done. And we'll come back. We'll put it in the chill for a while, and we'll come back and do a taste test. Stay tuned. All right, guys. In this bowl right here, we got 1 block of softened cream cheese. I've had it out most of the day being soft. And what we got here is some salad Spanish olive sliced. I'm not sure how they made it. They really didn't go into how to make it. But this is our olives and cream cheese. So we're going to try to make it our way and see how it turns out. So I'm going to take a tablespoon, drop that in there. I'm not going to drain it. 2 tablespoons. We'll go with 3. And pour a little bit of juice in there. And then we'll mix that together, put it in the chill. See how it turns out. Like I said, I've never had this before. I saw the video. Figured I want to try it and see what it tastes like. We'll get all them olives incorporated in with that cream cheese. Mixed it real well. Don't look too appealing. Probably should have put that juice in there. But hey, first time I ever tried it. Like I said, no real directions to give me any ideas, so I'm going my way. And this is just a little sampler, so not doing much because I don't want to waste food. Get that mixed in there real well. Sorry, this bowl's a little flimsier than I'm used to. Get it all well incorporated. Make sure we ain't got no. Y'all hold on tight. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry, my roommate decided he wanted to empty his dustpan while I'm in the middle of filming. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more olives to this. A couple teaspoons, heaping teaspoons, maybe 2 more. And we'll mix that in too. We'll finish mixing this up, get it in the fridge, cool it down, and we'll try to make a sandwich out of it, see what it tastes like. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, it's been over an hour. We got our pimento cheese here. I stirred it up. Still looking good. We'll make us a sandwich. Take a spoonful, push it down. Take your bread, fold it over. And then we'll give it a taste test to see how it tastes. All right, guys, here we go. Pimento cheese sandwich. Can already tell you it's good. I make this all the time. So we'll take a bite. Oh yeah, that's the spot right there. That tastes like pimento cheese. Bread's a little too thick, but it is what it is. But as far as pimento cheese is good, give that one a try if you like pimento cheese and stuff like that. Now here's our egg salad. Had it sitting for an hour. We're gonna make us up a sandwich with it. See how she tastes. All right, let's go. Taste good. Got about 2 tablespoons over there. Put our piece on. Squeeze it all together. I'm doing regular. Most of the time I do this with toasted bread. We'll get set up and we'll do the taste test. All right, guys. We're going to do the taste test on our egg salad sandwich. Like I said, most of the time I use toast, but regular bread works fine too. Give it a taste. Yes, sir. That hits the spot. That's egg salad right there. Here's our cream cheese and olive. We're going to put it on the bread, make it into a sandwich, see how it turns out. I've never tried this before. Stick it in the fridge might have been a little mistake. It's tough. The cheese done got hard on me. Well, let's put it on there, see what happens. Got it on the bread. Like I said, this is the first time I'm trying it with you. We'll let you know how it tastes. Get a little bit more there. Get it off the spoon. Try to spread it out. There we go. And we'll put the bread on top, smash it down. And we'll get set up for the taste test. Y'all stay tuned. All right, everybody, here we go. We're going to try out this olive and cream cheese. Like I said, I've never tried it before. We're going to find out what it's like now. It's a unique flavor. You got the cream cheese, the bite of the cream cheese, and the flavor of that garlic, that olive in there. A lot of olive flavor. Ain't too bad. I might do it again, but I don't know. Like I said, it ain't bad to me. Might be bad to you. Something you might want to try. I had to try it because I saw it. It's not a number one, that's for sure. But there you have it, guys. Olive and cream cheese sandwich. All right, everybody. There you have it. Those are my 3 sandwiches. Pimento cheese is always good. The bread I chose was a protein keto bread. Nah, I'm not going to choose that bread or regular white bread, wheat bread, anything like that. That's your go-to. Egg salad, good. The way I make it, I like it. You can make egg salad any way you want. The cream cheese and olive, that was unique. I'll stick to the other 2, but figured I'd show y'all something simple and easy. Don't take a lot of time to do it. Make it up, let it sit for an hour, and there you go. Y'all remember, guys, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Give these recipes a try, and y'all have a good Mother's Day weekend.